That's copyright. Welcome! And we're gonna see what we're gonna kill! I don't even care. I'm gonna shoot crap. I'm gonna shoot you!
Oh,
let's go! Here is our contest of champions. We got Boxer. Senior. We got Dan the Minion.
Ouch.
Got the Hat Brothers. They're two, but they seem like one. We got Bottle of Lit. Una and two. Wow. And we have, last of all, 10 the Flipping Can.
Ouch.
Amazing. Mastermind. Oh! We have Lego Man. Did you survive?
I have a life and family. Please, no.
I'm sure you do. I'll tell them that you love them.
Ow.
You're weak. Flipped over. You're weak. Get out of my sight. Where's the next contestant? Is
Why?
you.
Hi.
Let's see if you can survive.
We have a life and family. Please, no.
Oh,
ouch.
You're tough. What about you, motherfucking comedian? You're gonna kill me! Hold up. This is going to jail for murder.
Wait.
Crap butt minion!
Ouch.
Crap butt boss! Cat brothers!
We have a life and family. Please, no.
Fine. The flip out of my sight. Okay, you're already weak, water bottle. Can't even stand up. Which one of you is the toughest? Probably not the water bottle.
We married the same ladies. We have a life and family.
So how come you guys aren't killing each other right now? You guys are having the same ladies. Well, I would have killed each other. You know what? I'll do it for you.
No.
Quick. I missed.
That's sad.
That's tough. Dang! If you don't have a bullet in you, I will kill you. It doesn't have a bullet in him!
Oh.
He thinks he's good!
Ew.
On to the next! To be honest, I don't think that's a sign. I mean, we should be buds. You're taking bullets from that. Yeah.
I have a family. Kill me now. My wife is mean. Kill me now.
How cool. I think we should be buds because you're invincible.
Kill me now.
What do you say, man?
Ew.
Okay, now for the big old challenger, Lego. Let's go.
Ooh.
Now for the big challenge, motherfucker.
We are merged together. We are multiple.
You are. Not anymore, though.
No.
I think I'm reading this one. No way. If you survive this last shot. Whoa, it's almost dead. It's almost dead. It's almost broke apart.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait, I'm just gonna make it easier.
Oh, wait a minute! It put holes in it. You know what? This is how we make it easy.
Now it's gonna be easier.
Now we just surpassed the almighty challenge.
Frick. Wait, look at me.
Alright, well, that's all for today's video. That's all for today's video. So make sure to like and subscribe.